Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back to Legally Speaking with Aitken Robertson Criminal Law. I'm your host, Melanie van Orde, and today we have counsel Dan Lemaitre joining us to discuss a crucial aspect of sexual assault trials, the credibility of a complainant. If your sexual assault case goes to trial, one of the most pivotal issues be whether the complainant's evidence is accepted by the court. If the complainant's testimony is accepted as true in its entirety, it can be extremely damaging to the defense, potentially even fatal. To counter this, the defense will seek to challenge the complainant's credibility and reliability as a witness. So join us today as we delve into this key component in sexual assault cases. Dan, can you explain what credibility means in the context of Canadian law, specifically sexual assault law?
Sure. So credibility has to do with whether the court accepts that the complainant is essentially telling the truth, whether the court believes that evidence. Only evidence that is credible can support a finding of guilt.
And then how do courts evaluate the credibility of a complainant in a trial?
So this is a great question and something that a lot of accused persons confuse, and they have a preconceived notion about how a judge might evaluate credibility, specifically in sexual assault cases. Credibility is not character. So credibility is not attacking the person's character to have the judge infer that they might be not telling the truth. Credibility is whether they are offering a story that makes sense, whether it is consistent within itself, whether it changes from moment to moment, or whether it is consistent throughout, and also whether it is consistent with what has been said in the past. And so, for example, if there are inconsistencies between what a complainant says to the court and what she says to the police or to friends or to anyone really, that inconsistency can cause the judge or even the jury to have concerns about that person's credibility as a witness.
And what kinds of evidence can the defense use to challenge a complainant's credibility?
So typically this is going to be borne out in cross-examination. So the counsel will be testing the complainant's credibility based on any prior statements. So if there is a police statement, the testimony that is offered in court really needs to be consistent with that police statement. And if there are any inconsistencies, the lawyer will draw those out in cross-examination. So then the lawyer can later argue to the court that the evidence is not credible and cannot support a finding of guilt.
Thank you so much for all the information today, Dan. And thank you for everyone else for joining us on the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defense. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.